Hey everyone, welcome back to Serenity Airsoft. Today we are back with the rec games at Milsim City Training Center in Fairfield, Utah. In this video, we're playing a simple game of team deathmatch to warm up. Warm-ups are surprisingly important in Airsoft, not just for players but for the replica as well. For those of you that don't know, there is a warm-up period for your replica, particularly with your bucking. If you adjust your hop-up for how it's shooting at the beginning of the day, chances are you will have to have adjusted it by the end of the day to keep up your accuracy, so don't blow off the warm-up round.
Oh, good shot! Woohoo! Nice shot! I think they got me. Good shot. Yep. What do you need? You push up to this gray building.
You give the guy coming close, I'm trying to get the guy far back, right?
Okay.
You can't even come in one building on the other side of the room.
Gray building just on the opposite side. Whoa, good shot.
After being told by a player that our left side needed help, I decided to go that way to see what I could do.
Oh, nice shot. They're clear on the left side. Come on. Got anything?
No, I didn't see anybody.
Okay.
I'm so glad we got this back
Oh, nice one, nice one. Hey, Sean, he's lying down over that way.
My glasses are foggy.
Okay.
Let me just wait.
Back by the cars. You all set?
Yeah, well, more or less. I need to go get my other pair of goggles.
As I trade shots with this player at the corner, note how I back away from the wall a bit to keep a smaller profile, and I try to mix up where I pop out, whether it be kneeling or standing, to try to throw him off.
Loading. He's at the nearest building on the corner, left side.
I got limited visibility right now, so
That's
better let me take this off. Is there cover on the waist? I gotta come back and fix my goggles. Can you?
At this point, I was trying really hard to get this guy, so I was shooting even if I couldn't see him, hoping he'd pop out by the time my BBs made it to him.
Right. I gotta handle him first. Nice. Alright.
I got you. Where's he at?
Long, right side, maybe 3 buildings down.
Yeah. Yeah, he's way the heck out there. Watch this left side. There's a dude
Suck, dude.
in this corner.
I fucking can't believe I got him and he didn't get me. I'm gonna cross. Is this Berman play?
I don't think so.
Fuck, that would be so good.
Yeah, but it's all right.
Yeah. Hey, maybe there's a way we can make it down the middle. I don't know. It's nice here. Hang out with friends. Good friends, you know.
Loading.
Okay, the big multi-room building. Middle window, first left on the entryway.
Garage. garage, you're saying?
Yeah, let me see. I'm gonna peek low and see if there's a way I can see.
Yeah, I see him.
Maybe one suppressed, two, try and make it to that building.
Yeah.
Okay, Jared, you want to run with me? Run with me anyways. I mean, peek it. Is there a good... There's a berm right ahead of it. Berm isn't in play, I don't think. No, it's straight ahead.
Yeah, there's a dirt berm in the field. Did you kill that guy at the corner?
No, but he's not peeking it.
Okay, then go. Where's it coming from?
Center of the field, way back, tires. It's getting fire.
Yeah. He got hit from the side there. You could see the dirt pucks.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend of airsoft ahead of you. If you'd be so kind as to subscribe and ring the bell, I'd really appreciate it, as well as letting me know what you thought of this video down below. As always, remember the primary rule of airsoft: don't be a douchebag.